Hello again, fifth grade. We are ready to get into language lesson 141. Yesterday, we dove into the dictionary and how it helps us. So, from yesterday, what is the dictionary? What does it do for us? And why do we use it? Go ahead and say to yourself and whoever's around you. The dictionary lists the words in our language so that we can go find how to pronounce them, find what they mean, find what part of speech they are, find what syllable is accented, find how to divide them into syllables, so many things. Today we're talking about guide words. Now, what are guide words? If you hear that term, what does it sound like they would be? What would guide words be? What is a guide? Now, a guide is usually someone who tells us where to go. They show us how to get there or help us in a situation that we can't figure out by ourselves. So, guide words in a dictionary help you to know where to go as well. If you're looking for a word and you're looking for the word key, if you're looking for the word key in the dictionary and you turn to the K section, you can look at the guide words at the top of the page to help you know if the word key is on the page. Now, each page has two guide words on it. The first guide word on the page tells you the first word that will be on that page in the dictionary. The second guide word tells you the last word that's going to be on that page. So if you think in alphabetical order and you go to a page, if the word that you're looking for comes between the two guide words, it will be on that page. If it comes before the first guide word or after the last guide word, it won't be on that page. On page 257 in your book, we're talking about alphabetical order to find the right word. So words in a dictionary are arranged so that the first letters are in the order of the alphabet. All the letters that start with A come first, then B, then C, then D. Now, if you have a whole bunch of words that start with A, then how do you arrange them? So if they all start with A, you're going to look at the second letter. And whichever one comes first in alphabetical order, when you're looking at the second letter of the word, then you'll arrange it according to that. Okay, so if you have the first two letters of a few different words are the same, then you look at the third letter of each of those words to arrange them in alphabetical order. Now, you can find words in the dictionary more quickly if you can divide the alphabet in three parts. So if you think of think of the dictionary being divided into three parts, and if you would divide it into three parts, it would be approximately like this. You would have words starting with A through E would be the first section, F through P would be the second section, and Q to Z would be the last section. So if you're looking for a word in the dictionary and it would be between F and P, then look at the middle section of the dictionary. If it would be between Q and Z, then grab the last section and look in there. So keep that in mind. Short class today, go ahead and read over what they tell you in your lesson. A couple paragraphs they have there. You're going to be working with alphabetical order and answering questions as far as how you find words in a dictionary. It's going to take some thought. Which letters come first in the alphabet? Also, working with guide words. If you have these two guide words, you're going to need to think in alphabetical order to find if a specific word would be on that page or not. So take your time and think through those. 2 pages today. If you have any questions, please let me know and enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you for listening.